If you're in the market for a used Nissan Altima from 2013 to 2019, you need to hear this before you hand over your money. This generation of Altima can be a fantastic daily driver, but it can also hide problems that will cost you thousands down the road if you don't know what to check before you buy. So today, we're going through the critical inspection checklist, the things every buyer needs to know before signing anything. Let's start with the biggest factor in Altima ownership: the transmission. Nearly all Altimas in this range use a continuously variable transmission, or CVT. This isn't a normal automatic. It doesn't shift gears the way you might expect, and that's part of what helps the Altima get good fuel economy. But here's the catch. These CVTs can show early warning signs long before they completely fail. During your test drive, pay close attention to how the car accelerates. Does it hesitate or feel like it's searching for power? Does it shudder or vibrate around 20 to 40 miles per hour? Do you hear a whining or humming noise that grows louder as speed increases? These are red flags. If possible, take the car on a longer drive where the transmission warms up. Some problems only appear after heat builds up in the system. Also, ask for recorded CVT fluid service history. If the fluid hasn't been changed at regular intervals, that increases your risk dramatically. Next, check the engine performance. The 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine is generally reliable, and even the optional V6 is strong. But listen for unusual noises, rough idling, or hesitation under throttle. What you're listening for here are internal issues or sensors that might be out of calibration. Now let's talk electronics and interior systems. Test everything. I mean everything. Check the backup camera, the infotainment screen, the Bluetooth connection, power windows, steering wheel controls, and check climate control in both hot and cold settings. Nissan owners frequently report intermittent electrical and infotainment problems, and some of these won't show up until you actually use them. Don't assume they're working, prove it. Another area people often overlook is suspension and steering. Drive over a variety of road surfaces and listen for knocks, clunks, or rattles. Pay attention to steering feel. Does it vibrate at highway speed? That could be a sign of worn wheel bearings, bad tires, or alignment issues. Now, let's look under the hood. Inspect the belts, hoses, and mounts. Look for oil or coolant leaks. Check the condition of the radiator and the battery. Rust around battery terminals or corrosion around engine mounts might not be deal breakers, but they tell you something about how well the car has been cared for. One thing you should never skip is a pre-purchase inspection by a trusted mechanic. Yes, it costs a little up front, but finding a hidden issue before buying could save you far more than the inspection fee. And finally, check the vehicle history report. This will tell you about previous accidents, title issues, or odometer discrepancies. A clean record doesn't guarantee a perfect car, but it gives you confidence that you're not stepping into someone else's nightmare. So before you buy a 2013 to 2019 Nissan Altima, here's your summary checklist. Test drive long enough to assess CVT behavior under heat. Ask for documented transmission and fluid service history. Listen for engine performance issues. Check all electronics and infotainment functions. Evaluate suspension and steering feel. Inspect under the hood for leaks or wear. Always get a professional pre-purchase inspection. Review the complete vehicle history report. Take the time to check these things, and you'll either walk away with a reliable daily driver or save yourself from one expensive mistake. That's what separates a smart used car buy from a regret you'll be paying for later.